Moon, are you expecting?
Expecting? Tawagan ko na si Jello. No! Don't!
Surprise!
What are you doing here? Aren't you supposed to be in Kuala Lumpur?
Naparito ako para makilala ko kaagad yung asawa mo.
I need to see you now.
Ingat-ingat ka, mamaya mapasubo ka.
You must be Jello!
Ano nangyari dito?
Si Lily.
His wife.
Why? Sa tingin mo hindi tayo magbubuking?
Mali siya lang napangasawa ng anak ko?
Paano pag nakita nila iba yung pictures ng pamilya ko?
Nasaan nga pala yung mister mo?
Patay na po. Yun nga po yung huling kaway niya. Ano? I'm doing this for my family. Just like you. Sarili mo ngang kwarto, hindi mo malinis. Tapos lakas ng loob mong kumuha ng asawa.
Welcome to our family, Lily.
Ano ba talaga ang plano mo para sa apo ko?
Jello's been talking to Lolo for some time now.
Hindi pa namin napag-uusapan po ni Lily.
Kiss naman ka!
No!
Yun naman!
We have to tell them soon. Kasi I kept going like this. Mali na eh.
Is there something you need to tell us?
Sana maintindihan nyo na...
I'm pregnant. Pregnant!
Ang ibig mo sabihin, magkakaroon na rin ako ng apo sa tuhod?
Come in.
May drugs yan.
No, Kaya. Patrick gave it to me. Cute kid. What are you looking at?
Your arms. It's very nice. Great arms you got over there.
Sasahig ako sa kama ka.
My brother, very...
Makulit.
If you promise to be a nice boy, you don't have to sleep on the floor. 'Cause dirty.
It's very dirty. And I'm a good boy. I promise.
Sarap po kayo talaga. Alam niyo naman po na may presentation kami kay Lily bukas. Kapag yun talaga kailangan, dapat perfect. So, sandali lang, kukuha lang ako ng documents to review. Please, Lolo, sorry
Sige,
talaga.
yeah. Take your time, take your time. Sige, dito lang ako sa table ni Lily.
Okay, wait lang po.
Did you see Lolo's face today? He looks so happy. And we're doing this for family, right? So worth it.
Yes, and for the same reason that every payment you give me, it's for my family.
I can see how much they love you. And how much you love them. You have a good heart, Jello.
Uy. Kami round to yun.
Oh, ha! You got so many kisses today.
Fake nga yung isa. Swing.
Oh, do you expect a real one?
Siyempre, realistic tayo dapat.
No way, Jose. Sleep. Give me this.
Frankly, I thought I'll be single forever. But when I found out that Lolo was sick, I was suddenly very afraid. I don't want to disappoint Lolo. I wanted to make him happy. So if by letting him know that there's a guy who's going to take care of me, and that he'll feel better, I want to give him that gift. So getting married so that Lolo will feel better. be happy. He's happy. And I'm happy. You sleep that side, and I'll be this side.
Maybe
And no crossing. Go.
it's uneven.
No!
It's not balanced.
Please, no!
Good night. Good night. Uy, good night.
Good night.
Really? Tulog ka na? Funny, ah.
Oh my God. Please.
You might think that it is funny. You might think it's just a fancy fantasy. You might think I am a fool, but you're the one who makes me whole. It's undeniable. It's indescribable.
Oh.
Shucks, I'm late. I'm late now.
Relax.
Oh my God, we have a delivery today.
Sleep. Hey. My head hurts so bad.
Uy, mamaya na. Ayon sa bisita, no?
Ano tayo kakain?
Mamaya na tayo kakain.
Lolo Jean!
Patrick.
Lolo Jean!
Basta.
Uy, wow! Kayo na po. Hindi mo na kayo kakain? Nag-alahan mo na kayo.
Okay na po.
Wow!
Thank you.
Ha? Tignan ka lang mo, ha? Lolo Jean! Wow! What are you doing here?
I just pulled some strings. Jello. Konting tulong sa negosyo mo.
Lolo, sobra-sobra na to, ah.
Kulang pa nga yan, eh.
Good morning po,
Ay.
Lolo Jean.
Hindi man lang kami
Umaga.
nakapag-ayos. Hindi ko alam na darating
Wala
kayo.
naman, may hinahatid lang ako. Kulang pa nga yan, eh. Sa ngayon nga, eh, hinahanda ko ng church wedding ninyo. Siyempre, kinakailangan granding selebrasyon.
Lolo, you don't have to do that.
I only want the best for you. You know that.
Tama po yata si Lily. Para mas okay muna yung civil wedding.
Jello, hindi mo naintindihan. Wala nang pamilya to. Kailangan ng granding kasal para maimbita ko.
Teka. Anong kasal? Sino kakasal?
And you are?
Ako lang naman po ang girlfriend ni Jello. Yaya po.
Lolo Jean, Lily, please maniwala po kayo sa akin.
Naka-explain ka nga. Totoo ba na itong babaeng to, ikaw ang boyfriend talaga niya? At niloloko mo lang ang apo ko?
Lolo, Jello didn't do anything like that. Actually, I borrowed him. I asked him to be my husband in the meantime until I find a real one.
I've been waiting for you to say that.
What are you talking about, Lolo?
Alam ko na ang katotohanan tungkol sa inyong dalawa ni Jello. Kaya naman pumunta ako dito ngayong umaga. Kasi gusto kong marinig mula sa iyo mismo. At hindi kung kay sino-sino lang.
Lolo?
Don't go away, magbabalik ang